Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can play multiplayer in Monopoly Go. Well, basically here, if you unlock the levels in Monopoly Go, then you can have an access to your friends. So just go to friends right here at the bottom right hand corner. And here you can manage your friends. You can accept all the friend requests or you can add more friends. And also if you go to leaderboard, you'll find here all your friends list. Now, as you can see here, if you're going to invite, you just need to go to add friends. Basically, you can add or accept some friend requests right from here. And then if you're going to invite, tap on the invite button, the green button here. And basically you have two options to invite. You can basically share the link to your social media accounts, and then you can also invite friends using your Facebook account. Now, other way here to invite friends is by your contacts. So basically, once you tap on contacts, as you can see, connect your phone's contact list with Monopoly Go to know who's playing. So you just have to add them by tapping on this add contacts. So basically here, if they receive the link, they will automatically go or redirectly go to your app store or the Play Store where they can install or download the Monopoly Go game so they can play the Monopoly Go with you. So that's all. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel.